Losing weight is never easy, but with a goal in sight, it is easier to motivate yourself to eat healthy and exercise. However, once you've reached your goal weight, every day thereafter, it gets a bit harder to stay on track, and weight loss maintenance becomes the biggest obstacle. In fact, almost all research studies agree about 20% of people who are successful at weight loss can maintain this weight loss for longer than 5 years and stay successful at it in the long term. Thus, weight loss maintenance has a very low success rate. For aspiring weight loss candidates, this is a grim prospect, especially bearing in mind the effort it takes to lose weight in the first place. So how does one overcome this? In our previous research study, we wanted to know why some women are so successful at weight loss, while the majority of women relapse. We compared successful weight loss maintainers with lean women with no weight loss history and weight loss relapsers. We found that successful weight loss maintainers exercised more, restrained themselves more from eating certain foods, ate differently, and interestingly had greater cognitive function compared to women with no weight loss history and women who experienced weight loss relapse. Thus, the answer comes down to better self-discipline, better self-control, and ultimately higher executive function, making certain individuals more successful at weight loss maintenance. Research has shown that individuals who struggle with substance abuse may lack abstinence from the drug due to a lower executive function compared to those who don't. This means that improving executive function could improve self-control, leading to successful abstinence. From the findings of our previous research study, we established that individuals successful in weight loss maintenance performed better at a cognitive screen task, even while being distracted by pictures of tasty food. We compared them to unsuccessful dieters and lean individuals with no weight loss history. The higher executive function ability can be linked to a more disciplined behavior. This behavior may help individuals who have to maintain weight loss not to fall back to their old habits, such as overeating, excessive snacking, and not adhering to their exercise regime. Previous research in methamphetamine addicts has shown that regularly completing a working memory task on a computer significantly improved their working memory. This directly improved their executive function and at the same time gave meth addicts better control to abstain from the drug. Similar research has found positive results in people suffering from alcoholism. Although humans cannot abstain from eating in totality, we could argue that unwanted eating behaviors that lead to overconsumption of food is equivalent to being addicted to food, especially to the taste of food. The aim of our next study, Mind the Gap 2, is to determine if working memory training will specifically change a person's eating behavior by improving their self-discipline or their self-control over their self-set rules in order to maintain their weight loss and prevent them from returning to their old habits, which resulted in them becoming obese in the first place. The working memory training will be completed 4 times a week by means of a cell phone app. Each training session will last around 15 minutes. The training will carry on for 6 weeks. Before and after the training, participants will undergo 3 visits to the laboratory to complete a series of assessments. These assessments include behavioral questionnaires, body fat analysis, metabolic rate measures, and executive function assessments. It will also include a brain scan of the brain response to a cognitive task while inside an MRI. If the study finds that an easy working memory training program via a cell phone app can help successful dieters to stick to their new and controlled lifestyle behavior, it will be recognized as a tool to prevent weight loss relapse, a phenomenon far more challenging than weight loss itself. We are actively recruiting research participants for our study, and we are looking for women who have lost at least 10% of their initial weight and have reached their goal weight and wish to stay weight stable. We are looking for women between the ages of 25 and 45 years. We are looking for women who've had a BMI over 30 when they started off with their weight loss journey and preferably underwent this weight loss within the last 2 to 3 years. Women who are apparently healthy and not on any chronic medication that will influence their metabolism. We are also looking for women who are not claustrophobic, as that will prevent them from doing the MRI scan. We are also looking for women who are willing to undergo the 6-week working memory training by using either an iPhone or an iPad, which we will provide to them.